Greetings, Spartans of Artwheel. So we're going to learn how to use a specific tool, and it is called the lasso, and the lasso using Bezier curves. Okay, it's a funny name, but that's what it's called. So here's how you do it. We are going to click at the top. Now you can start anywhere, but it makes sense to just start at the top. Click one time, and you can see how it sort of anchors itself, okay? Now I'm going to go in one direction. This way is what? Counterclockwise. So I will click at a point that's going to allow me to anchor that second point, okay? And then once I do that, I'm going to drag my cursor in the direction that I see that curve. So you can tell where I'm trying to match the curve of that star. So it's right about there. I'm going to click again. Once you do that, that curve stays put. And then you want to go to the next one. Now, ideally, if I just want to do a straight line, then I would go click once and then click twice. Now, don't double click, because double clicking is entirely different than two single clicks. So if you want to do two single clicks, you're going to have to click once and then pause and then click again. Now, the reason why I chose that spot is because, and I'll zoom in, because wherever it starts changing direction, that's where I decide to put down an anchor point. So right here, as it goes around the left arm of this star, it's changing direction. So that's the rule. So I'm going to go ahead and put an anchor point right about there. I'm going to click one time, and then I'm going to go towards the curve with my cursor. And I'm going to stop whenever it looks like it matches that curvature. And right there, so I'm going to click again. Okay, and then I'm going to move on. And it makes sense for me to go right here. Now I could go right here, but I'm going to see if I can match it. So I'm going to click one time, and I'm going to drag it outward, and it looks like it is pretty good. I guess I could have clicked right here first, but I think this will be good enough. So I'm going to click again, and that'll keep that curvature. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom back up here, and let's see if I can get rid of this ad first. Okay, good. I got rid of that ad. It's kind of annoying. Okay, now I'm going to go right here, because that's where the direction change occurs. So I'm going to click once, and again, pause. And I don't need to find a curve, because that's a straight line. I'm going to click again. Okay, and then I'm going to go right here. Click once, and then again, find the curvature. And I'm going to click right there. And then I'm going to go to the straight edge. Click once, and then pause, click again. Okay? And so this continues on and on until you go all the way around. So I'm going to just speed this up. Click once, curvature, click twice, click once, pause, click again, click, let's see, I think I'll click right here, click once, click pause, click again, and then let's see, maybe right here, click once, pause, or actually find the curvature, okay, click once, and then find the curvature, and then click once, pause, click twice, and then we're going to go home here. You got to go all the way back to the original initial anchor point. And I'm going to click once, and then I'm going to find the curvature and click twice. And there we have it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to Edit, Copy. Then I'm going to add a layer, an empty one. And I'm going to go to Edit, and paste, or you can do Control V. And there it is. Okay? Now, the difference between the background and the one I just pasted is the background has white in it. So you see, I did a pretty good job. Then you can just resize that, right? Fixed. And there you go. Okay? So I want you to practice that, and that's going to set us up for our next project. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck.